Hello, today we'll discuss about object-oriented programming paradigm. The major motivation factor in the invention of object-oriented approach is to remove some of the flaws encountered in the procedural approach. OOP treats data as a critical element in program development and does not allow it to flow freely around the system. It ties data more closely to the functions that operate on it and protects it from accidental modification from outside functions. OOP allows decomposition of a problem into a number of entities called objects and then builds data and function around these objects. The data of an object can only be accessed by the functions associated with that object. However, functions of one object can access the functions of other objects. The organization of data and functions in object-oriented program is shown below. So in this diagram that shows organization of data and function in OOP, that is object oriented programming. So functions of any object can communicate with the object through the functions only. On data is operated only by the function within the object. So data in one object is not accessible by the another object. Some of the striking features of object-oriented programming are emphasis is on data rather than procedure. Programs are divided into what are known as objects. Data structures are designed such that they characterize the objects. Functions that operate on the data of an object are tied together in the data structure. Data is hidden and cannot be accessed by the functions. Objects may communicate with each other through functions. New data and functions can be easily added whenever necessary. Follows bottom-up approach in program design. Thus, object-oriented programming is an approach that provides a way of modularizing programs by creating partitioned memory area for both data and functions that can be used as a templates for creating copies of such modules on demand. Thus, an object is considered to be a partitioned area of the computer memory that stores data and set of operations that can access that data. Since memory partitions are independent, the object can be used in a variety of different programs without modification. Thus, our discussion come to end. So, bye and have a nice day.